Stop scrolling. What if I tell you that Singapore jobs are still open in 2026, but most people are applying the wrong way? Every day, thousands of people search online for Singapore work visa, but they don't know which visa is real, which agents are fake, which jobs are actually hiring. Many people lose money, time, and hope. In this video, I will tell you the real truth about Singapore work visa types who can apply in 2026 step-by-step process, salary requirements, and the biggest mistakes to avoid. Watch till the end, because one small mistake can reject your visa. Why Singapore is still a dream country. 2026. Singapore is one of the best countries to work because high salary, strong currency, clean and safe country, no corruption, jobs for foreigners. Even in 2026, Singapore still needs foreign workers, especially in construction, healthcare, hotels, factories, logistics, but the process is very strict. Singapore does not give tourist work visa conversion easy visas without job, fake agent visas. Everything is online. Official types of Singapore work visas, most important. Let's talk about real work visas. Employment pass, EP, best for professionals, office jobs, finance, engineers, managers. Requirements: 2026 job offer from Singapore company, minimum salary around SGD 5,000/month, good education experience, company applies for you. S-Pass, very popular, best for technicians, skilled workers, diploma holder. Requirements: job offer salary around SGD 3,150/month, skills and experience limited, quota, very important. Work permit, most common, best for construction workers, factory workers, cleaners, helpers, hotel staff. Requirements: job offer no high education needed, medical test, employer controls everything. Important truth: you cannot apply alone, that only employer applies for work visa. Biggest lie people believe, very important. Many YouTube videos say, pay agent, get visa, guaranteed Singapore visa, tourist visa, convert to work visa. This is 100% false. If someone asks you, money first, passport copy, visa guarantee, it is a scam. Singapore government website is the only truth. Step-by-step process. Easy explanation. Step 1. Find a real job. You must get a job offer. Use official platforms. Singapore company websites, trusted job portals, direct HR emails. No job means no visa. Step 2. Employer applies. Your employer submits your passport details, job contracts, risks. Fee apply through Ministry of Manpower, MOM. Step 3. Visa approval. If approved, you get in-principle approval, IPA. You travel to Singapore, medical check, get work card. Step 4. Start working only after card collection. You can work at salary and cost. Truth: no one tells you salary depends on job type, skills, experience. Who pays visa cost? Employer pays. You should not pay agents. If someone asks, pay visa processing fee, that is illegal. Medical and rules. Medical check includes blood test, x-ray, general health rules. No job change without permission, no overstaying, follow contract breaking rules means blacklist. Common mistakes: avoid this. Trusting agents on WhatsApp, paying money before job offer, fake documents, wrong visa type, overstaying, tourist visa. One mistake means lifetime ban. Singapore jobs in demand. 2026. High demand sectors: construction, information technology and software, healthcare, hospitality, logistics, manufacturing. Low demand: unskilled office jobs, no experience roles. Should you apply or not? Apply if you have skills. You find direct employer. You are patient. Do not apply if you want quick visa. You want shortcut. You depend on agents. Final advice: very important. Singapore is not easy, but it is honest. That if you follow legal process, real employers' patience, you can succeed. Outro: if this video helped you, like this video, share with someone dreaming of Singapore. See you in next video.